No more eBay for me. Here's why. Hey, are you considering selling on eBay, or you already sell on eBay? You're going to want to watch this video really close, because a lot of you out there, eBay is not going to be the answer for you any longer. In this video, I'm going to share with you why, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Thank you for visiting the channel. I appreciate you being here. Check out some of my videos. Got a whole bunch of them, well over 500 right now. I really appreciate you showing up. Don't forget to subscribe, though. Really important. Hit that subscribe button down there, and when you do, a bell is going to pop up. You got to ring it. You got to smash the bell. You got to turn on all notifications so that every time I do a video, you are notified. Every time I do a video live, you're notified too, because that way you can actually talk to me back and forth. We can chat online. So check that out. Make sure you do that. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you think of the video, and put your comments below. Make sure you ask me a question. You share with me something you're doing. I've been selling online since 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. This channel is nothing about but teaching you how to do the same thing, how to make money online. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's talk about eBay. Now, I will tell you, years ago in like 2009, I started selling on eBay, and I sold on eBay for a number of years, made a lot of money, did really well, and I wouldn't do it now for anything in the world. Wouldn't sell on eBay now. Why? Times have changed, and that's what I want to get into in this video. Times have changed a lot, and there's a lot more things I can do off eBay that I couldn't do on eBay. So let's jump right into it. Let's check it out and see what it is. Now, eBay really kind of became part of this auction craze in 1995, and in 1997 they actually started seller feedback, which is like a grading thing on people who sell online. As time has gone on, they have placed more and more restrictions on sellers, and it's become less and less beneficial, to the point where I don't really sell on eBay anymore. Some people have worked it out to their advantage, and they can still make money there. I would say for the most of you, I would not recommend it. I would not recommend eBay. I just wouldn't recommend it. So let's go through some of the reasons. Number one, there's so many seller fees at this point that it makes it almost prohibitive to sell on there, because you can't make a profit. You're going to be hit with listing fees. You're going to be hit with transaction fees, and these fees, I mean, some of these seller fees are as high as 10%, which is pretty darn high. You know, if you're operating on a 10 or 15% margin, it wipes you out instantly. You just can't do it. Okay, and yeah, you say, well, just charge a higher margin, but you can't always do that, because first off, these seller fees are based a lot of times on your reputation. Your reputation is really derived from the people who buy from you, and in the beginning you're not going to have a high reputation because you haven't sold anything yet, and then if you get a couple buyers who mark you down based on your reputation, your seller fees can go up. And I know for the most of you, your goal is to make sure everybody's happy, as mine is too, but there are some people out there you can't make happy. You just can't do it. It's not possible. And if those people rate you down and you get a lower seller rating, that's going to cost you higher fees. Number three, you have limited control over your listings. You can put a product online, but eBay is going to decide where and if anybody is going to see that listing. If you have your own web page, you know where it's going to be, and it's going to show up every single time. You can't guarantee that with eBay. And if your products aren't showing up, and they're not showing up in the feed of people who search for your products, you're not going to sell anything. Number four, you're going to face significant competition. And when I say significant competition, there's a lot of sellers on eBay, and that's not the worst part of the competition. The worst part is a lot of those sellers don't mind not making money. Yeah, let me repeat that. They don't mind not making money. Okay, and the reason they don't is because they just want to get a small, profit. Maybe they're a small seller, they don't have to make much money, they don't care about making that much profit. 2 or 3% is great for them. Well, it's hard to compete with those people. Or maybe they're doing huge volume, they've got thousands and thousands and thousands of products on eBay, and they can operate on a margin of 2 or 3% because they sell so many products. If you're trying to jump in the mix in a mess like that, you're going to have an issue, because eBay is going to allow them to actually sort the results based on price, and if you don't have the lowest price, you're not even going to come up in the search results. Number five, inventory nightmares. To keep track of your inventory, now we have a pretty big inventory with our survival food. It would be near impossible to sync our inventory with eBay on a daily basis. We do have some products on some auction sites and it is tough. I will tell you, it's tough to keep track of all that stuff, and you're not going to be able to sync it with every single sale. There are a lot of softwares that come and go out there. I haven't seen one that does it well yet, especially if you have, you know, multiple different sizes and shapes and varieties of your products. It makes it really tough. Number 6, eBay is a bargain shopper's market. People don't go to eBay to find unique, cool items. They go to eBay to find cheap items. They go to eBay to bid on things. They want the rock bottom price. And if all these people want rock bottom prices, it kind of tells you what kind of profits you're going to have. Rock bottom. Okay, you're not going to make a whole lot of money on the products that you sell on eBay unless you have a super unique product. I mean super unique, and quite honestly, people don't go to eBay to find super unique products. Number 7, you really need to ship within 24 hours. If you don't have that ability to ship within 24 hours and get your products to where, you know, they go out so darn fast, like, you know, that's what people have become accustomed to on eBay, then your products are not going to show up in the search results, because what happens is eBay is going to show the products that they're going to ship the fastest first, because that makes the end user happy. And if you're taking 5 days or 7 days to ship your product, then you just are not going to show up in the search results. Now you can list a product and say, hey, I'm going to ship it in a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but nobody's going to see your products because eBay doesn't want to show those products. Number 8, the website goes through a lot of changes that are beyond your control. eBay is always trying to react to the market and have the newest things and the best ways for people to buy, but that may not be beneficial for your business. And since it's not necessarily beneficial for your business, it can actually hurt you. If you have your own website, whatever changes you make will be representative in your products, and it's still going to work out for your website. On eBay, it's just not the case. Number 9, this is for those of you who are trying to pay the fewest taxes you possibly can, the lowest taxes you possibly can. eBay controls that, okay, and they may throw you into different tax brackets. They're going to require you to do certain things. For example, if you conduct more than 200 transactions or more a year, you're going to have to fill out a 1099-K, okay, and they're going to report this stuff to the IRS. So depending about how you're running your business and what your tax structure is, it could cost you a lot in taxes to also sell on eBay. And when you factor that in with their fees and taxes and all these things, it's really hard to make a living on eBay. Now some of you out there are going to say, you know, I still love eBay and I want to sell on eBay. Hey, more power to you. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. It's too much hassle. It's too much problems. I would much rather sell from my website. I would much rather sell from something I can control. I don't really get the customer off eBay either. You're not really supposed to contact the customer. You're not supposed to follow up with them unless it's related to that product that you're selling. If they catch you trying to market to those people, they can close your account. So if you want to go through all that, okay, and you still want to sell on eBay, more power to you. I'm not doing it. Okay, I'm going to sell off of eBay. I'm going to make my own sales pages. I'm going to have my own web pages. I'm going to have my own sales funnels. I'm going to do my own marketing, and that's how I'm going to sell. And I can charge more, and I can make more, and I can have a better relationship with my customer, if you will. Now on this channel, I've got a lot of other ways you can sell online and make money, and I would invite you, check out those other ways. You know, take a day or two and watch 20 of my videos on how to make money online. There's tons of videos on this channel that you can make money online, tons of other ways of doing it without using these auction sites. I don't think that eBay has really kept up with the times. I don't think they protected their sellers the way they should. I think they were so worried about the buyers that they forgot that, you know, they wouldn't have buyers if there aren't any sellers. Okay, and that's why I left eBay, and I think that's why a lot of people I know left eBay. It's not the site that it was before, and you really just can't make the money. If you want to try it, you're more than welcome to try it, but I think I've given you ample reasons why you probably shouldn't do it. I have no idea how much longer eBay is going to be around. I think if they don't innovate, if they don't change the way they do things, if they don't start protecting the sellers, I think they're going to lose all those people. It comes down to, if a business can't make money using a site, they just go away from it, which they have. You know, there's print on demand sites now, there's Amazon now, there's your personal websites now, there's affiliate sites now, there's a lot more out there in the landscape. when eBay first started, there wasn't much competition out there. Everybody sold on eBay. You saw ads all over TV. I can't remember the last time I saw an ad on TV for eBay. It was probably Christmas, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, that they were actually running ads anymore. So I don't know what their ad budget is. I know they didn't care about me as a seller, you know, so if they don't care about me as a seller, then I'm not going to be there. I'm going to find another place to sell my products, which I did, because we have both physical and digital products. And then they did away with digital products, so there's only physical products you can sell there anyhow. So it's just not an advantage to do so. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, do me a favor, comment below. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't done so, you got to subscribe. You got to turn on bell notifications. You got to ring that bell, become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do a video. That's pretty cool. You'll also be notified when I go live. You'll be able to talk to me live. If you want to do that, you can ask me questions. Now, if you figured out something that works for you, put it in the comments below. If you have a question about this particular video, put it in the comments below, or anything having to do with selling online and making money online. I hope you enjoyed the video. I also have a $97 course you can grab below. You just click the link and learn, and that costs you nothing, but that's not going to be there forever. You've got to act. You got to go ahead and grab that while you can. Also, check out this video. This video here is going to help your business tremendously. Check it out, click on it, watch it now. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.